Hi, this is Elena from the Bordish onboarding team. This is our second session on the Bordish IT and cyber terminology to get you quickly engaged with the business. As discussed before, knowing the terminology of business risk is already a great stepping stone in getting you in the boardroom. In this section, we will discuss workdays loss, aka salary loss, as a threat factor and some tips on how to quantify it. Workdays loss or salary loss, the amount of financial impact to salaries as a result of threat or combinations of threats to the organization. I will share some insights from our Bordish ecosystem on workday loss and how it impacted from different threats. Let's start with ransomware. We can see in the Bordish ecosystem that ransomware has the highest impact of workdays loss from all threats. Let's understand why. When ransomware hits, it usually spreads very quickly, affecting many machines, therefore affecting many users. It impacts both computers and servers, so shared folders are impacted as well. Ransomware does not discriminate between managers and non-managers. For example, in the finance department, if the finance department is hit, the CFO's computer may be unworkable, and so will the entire accounting team, bookkeepers, administration, and so on. Ransomware can hit both back office machines and also supply chain computers and machineries. The question of how much time they will remain unworkable depends usually on the recovery time of the system. And now to the opposite example, data breach. Data breach has one of the highest financial impacts on companies, but it barely has any impact on workdays loss or salary loss due to not making any computers or servers unworkable. The users can continue to work even after a big data breach happened. Physically, nothing is stopping them or the supply chain. Data breach has a huge impact with regulations, branding, reputation, but those will be discussed in the upcoming videos. The bottom line is that usually when a company is hit by ransomware, most of the users are impacted and cannot do their work. Therefore, the company is losing workdays. See you soon for the next terminology part, regulation loss. Thank you, Elena from the Bordish onboarding team.